going to Domino first for most of our marketing applications. They're really just staying out in front of the competition, especially in the life sciences and medical industry.
Over the last 7 years, we've made over 1.5 to 1.7 billion impressions using that Domino capability, and it's never once let us down.
And certainly Domino and Platinum Press hadn't come together and found a solution for serialization on labels, the pharmaceutical industry right now would be struggling.
The good news is we love working with Domino, because when we're on the floor and a third-party supplier says to us, yes, we can meet that pharmaceutical company's requirement, we need to know that's going to happen, because we're not laser people.
We've standardized on a Domino AX350i continuous inkjet printer for all of our CIJ applications.
For PCI to be a partner to our pharmaceutical clients, we really have to be in a position to offer them industry-leading technologies. Companies like Domino do a fantastic job for us in allowing us to grow and scale.